creative, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to the laboratory. Today I'm going to show you how I got this beautiful metallic vibrant colorful print with my Uninet Icolor560 white toner printer. Of course, I'll have everything I use listed in the description box of this video. And if you like this video, you learned something too, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorials. Alright guys, so first things first, we're just going to go ahead and print out our image, and I am using the Icolor Pro Rip essential software that comes with your Uninet printer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just go ahead over to File, and we're going to import the image. Let's see, find it in my... You know what? Can't find it there. I'm gonna go ahead and find it. And I did get this image from Creative Fabrica. Of course, I'll have it linked for you in the description box of this video, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and use this, and it has a couple different ones because you could cut this out as a SVG and whatnot. But I'm gonna do right here where it says Dad, the Man, the Myth, the Legend, in black. Okay, so this is black writing and they have it in white. Few different options. So when you're printing for this project, make sure it is in black. Okay, just gonna go ahead and drag and drop that over to our canvas, and we're really not gonna do any changes. Like over here, I already have the transparent background, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm doing the CMYK printing form. Using tray 1, like I'm not touching any of that, but I am going to go over to artwork, and I do want to flip my image. We want this in reverse, so I want to mirror it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and mirror it. Yeah, everything else looks good, so I'm just going to go ahead and print. And that is, listen, that's it for that part of the project. Okay, so we'll go over to the printer and finish off the project. So this is the Forever Flex Soft in an 8.5 by 11 gold metallic sheet. And there's a matte side and a shiny side. You need to print your mirrored design onto the matte side. And for this project, I'm using my Uninet Icolor560 white toner printer. And of course, I'll have the links to everything I used listed in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, so here's our design printed out on the matte side of our transfer. And if I flip it over, here's what it looks like on the front. Now, we need to go ahead and add the adhesive backing, aka marry our project, using this B paper. So for the marrying process, I found that I got the best results with my press being at 293 degrees Fahrenheit, and also pre-pressing the bottom of my platen so that it was warm as well. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and trim off the extra off this design, because you actually always want your B paper to be bigger than your A sheet. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cover my bottom platen with some paper just to make sure none of that extra adhesive gets on it. And we're going to press the A and B sheet together for 90 seconds at 293 degrees using a medium pressure. So when your 90 seconds are up, just go ahead and rub your transfer for like 5-10 seconds with the cloth and peel the B sheet off, but keep it on the platen and do a slow fluid motion. Okay, don't stop peeling. And heat gloves are very useful for this part because this stuff is hot. And you see, you get a nice clean peel. This is what a really good peel looks like. Now, for this project, I'll be using a BELLA+CANVAS 3010 style tee in a dark gray color. Now, this is a 6-ounce shirt versus the 4-ounce 3001 style tee. That's their, like, you know, the one that's super popular. But it still has that BELLA+CANVAS softness because it's still 100% heirloom cotton. So if you love the BELLA+CANVAS shirts but just want them to have a little more weight, you should go ahead and check out this style. Now, of course, I went ahead and pre-pressed my shirt, and before pressing my design onto the shirt, I'm just going to go ahead and bump up my temp to 310 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, this temp is for cotton material, so if you're using something else, refer to the instructions that comes with these sheets for your correct temperature, okay? And we'll go ahead and press that for 30 seconds, and then we'll let this completely cool down before we remove the transfer. Once it's completely cool, we'll do a slow roll to remove the transfer, and look, we have another great feel. Now, for good washability, like to make this last with the washes and whatnot, we're gonna have you need to repress this with either a matte or glossy finishing paper, okay? And you're just gonna go ahead and repress it using that same temperature that you did to put the transfer on, but you're only going to do it for about 30 seconds, okay? And then look, this is so awesome. I didn't know you could do these things with like a white toner printer, but I'm glad my friend Chris, hey Chris, if you're watching this, showed me this at the trade show that I went to in California back in January. And they have these in several different colors. So they have this metallic gold, a super pretty metallic purple, white, black, neon colors. Like, they have so many, okay? And of course, the link will be in the description box of this video. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.